guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're not, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. My name is Annette. I release videos once or twice a week. Actually, I do release videos religiously twice a week. So far so good, so let's keep it that way. I hope I can keep up the pace. And I would love it if you join the family. I'd love it if you hit the subscribe button and, catch up on my old videos, and also leave me messages and let me know what kind of videos you like to see. Actually, this video is requested by my subscribers, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. You can probably tell by the title, but this video is basically an attorney work style lookbook. Basically, I'm sharing with you how I dress when I go to work. As you know, I'm an attorney and no 2 work days are ever the same. There's some days that I'm in the office all day. The other days I am in court and then I'm in the office. The other days I'm at depositions and then I'm in the office. So my day varies, and I've done several videos showing you what a typical day in the life of an attorney is, or what it looks like. And to an extent that it's typical, it's only that because it shows me going to court in the mornings and then going to work in the afternoon. While that's standard, that's not the case for every day. I do go to depositions, I take depositions. I'm not a trial attorney, so I don't go to trial yet. However, we also participate in hearings, and then when we go to court, there's a wide range of things we do in court. Sometimes we're in court just to submit papers, other times we're in court for an argument. Sometimes we're in court for a conference in front of the judge, other times we're in court for just a calendar call. So I know this sounds like a lot of legal jargon and I'm not going to go into it. That would be for a different video. Basically, I'm just going to be sharing with you how I like to dress for different occasions, how I like to dress for depositions, how I like to dress for court appearances, how I like to dress when I'm meeting clients, and the reasoning behind it. I would also be showcasing a dress that I got from ROSEWE Official. They are a formidable fashion house that are not just on Instagram. They have a large following outside of social media, and I'll put a link below to one of the dresses that I got from them. I will also put a link below to the dresses that I discuss in this video and the dresses that I showcase in the video, to the extent they are available. So let's go ahead and get started. On a regular day, on a day that I'm in the office all day, where I don't have any court conferences, I don't have any client meetings or anything like that, you can catch me winter, summer, spring or fall wearing a simple dress and a blazer. There's something about just wearing a dress and a blazer that makes me feel whole. I know that I can take off the blazer if it's too warm, or I can put it on when I get cold. On the other hand, I feel like I'm wearing a suit, but it's not like a complete suit, meaning it's not like a pantsuit or it's not like a skirt suit. It's just a blazer and a dress. I usually gear for a wide variety of colors. I wear light colors, I wear dark colors, so there's no set color style when it comes to my everyday work clothes while I'm at work. Now when I'm going for a client meeting, that's different. So while I'm at work, you can catch me 98% of the time wearing a dress with a blazer over. I really like that style. If someone were to ask me what's your go-to style, I would say that's my go-to style. And the blazers are usually from Express, while the dresses are usually from Tahari off the Saint Laurent. Now sometimes they're from Tahari, other times they're from Ili Tahari. The entire Tahari family, they're my favorite workwear brand, and I really like the dresses. So that's what I usually wear on a regular day. Now when I am going to a client meeting, I like to dress in all black. I feel as though when you wear all black, there's no room for distraction. First of all, you're in New York, so everyone wears black. A lot. Most people in New York wear a lot of black. So it took me a while to get into that, which is fine. I got into that, and now I know that if I'm meeting with a client, I just wear all black. I wear a black suit, black shirt, black blazer, or I may wear a black dress and a black blazer, but just a color staple of black, simply because you don't know the mind frame of the clients that you're meeting. It doesn't matter if you're in the plaintiff side or you're in the defense side, you want to make sure that there's no room for distraction. You want to make sure that whatever stereotypes the client may or may not have by virtue of their interactions with other people who look like you, and this is specifically to diverse women of color, you want to make sure that that's not front and center, that instead what's showing is your concern, your talent, your ability, your competency, and your level of knowledge of the law. So that's why I wear black. I also feel it's a very strong color. I feel like it's a go-to color, so if you call me now and tell me, hey, we have a client meeting, I can pull together an all black outfit in a second. Now, sometimes I wear pants, other times I wear skirts, other times I wear dresses. It doesn't really matter. For the most part, I do tend to wear pants more often just because it's a male-dominated world. And when I'm walking into a room with a client, I don't know what to expect, so I like to be, on par, and I like to feel as though I am one of the boys, if you will, while obviously channeling my inner femininity and my just girl boss status. But still, you have to play the cards that you're dealt with, and we are in a patriarchal system, so it is what it is. So yeah, definitely I wear all black when it comes to my client meeting. When I am going for court appearances, I don't have any rule, because I may be having a client meeting after court, or I may be attending a network event after work. So I just go with the flow. I could wear a dress, I could wear a skirt. I'm more flexible when I'm going to court, especially also when the weather is concerned. So when it's summer, I almost never wear pants. Almost never wear pants because it's hot. So you're more likely to catch me in a skirt or in a dress. More likely to catch me in a dress than a skirt. That's what I'm likely to wear. A blazer that I can easily throw on and throw off is usually my go-to, of course, when it comes to court. A lot of times women get away with a lot of things in court. We can just wear a simple dress as long as it looks nice. It doesn't have to be all the way suited up. Guys, on the other hand, they have to wear an entire ensemble. They have to wear like the suit and the tie, and sometimes I feel sorry for them, but hey, whatever. So when it comes to me going to court, I experiment when I'm going to court, but for the most part, my outfit is designed based on what else I have going on that day. Now, when it comes to depositions, I like to channel in my inner Olivia Pope and Alan Shaw. Olivia Pope is a fictional character from ABC Scandal, while Alan Shaw is a fictional character from ABC Boston Legal. I feel as though the white male and the black female dynamics, those are very important when you bring it into a deposition. Olivia has her style, she has her wit, while Alan Shaw has his wit, he has his ability, he has his charm and competency, and I put all those things together, and something about tweed makes me feel very powerful. It could be a tweed blazer, it could be a tweed dress, it doesn't matter. And here, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you the dress that I got from ROSEWE. It is a tweed dress, which I believe channels in, you know, power, focus, and just keeping you at the pinnacle of your game. Also, it's double-breasted and also looks like a tuxedo, which helps me channel in the masculine energy that I need when I'm asking questions or when I'm defending a client at a deposition. So I always gear towards wearing tweed at depositions. If it's summer, I wear lighter color tweed. If it's winter, I wear darker color tweed. I do have a lot of tweed dresses and tweed blazers, and I feel as though there's something about tweed in a professional setting that just makes you stand out. I do have tweed blazers that are not your typical tweed blazers, meaning they have a little extra. Some of them have zippers, others have buttons and pearls, and fashion is your playground. You don't have to like follow the rules to the T. You always have to personalize it and make sure it's reflective of who you are. So when it comes to depositions, 98% of the time you will catch me wearing tweed in some capacity. Skirt, dress, suit, some way, somehow, I will be wearing tweed. Now, when it comes to professional network events, I wear black dresses. Black, again, is a powerful, strong color, and it gives you a clear palette where you don't have to worry, am I overdressed, am I underdressed, is my dress too light, is my dress too floral? Don't get me wrong, you know I like wearing floral dresses, you know I like wearing white dresses. You see me dressed up here, you've seen my style hauls, you've seen me on Instagram, so you know how I dress. But when it comes to the professional setting, there are a series of rules that I live by, and that's what I do for networking events. I also wear dresses because I like to channel my femininity when it comes to that. I tend to attend more female-based network events like the Association of Black Women Attorneys, or like some other sister circle, or probably meeting up with a friend who's usually a girl, and we're going together, and I just feel as though in a setting like that I'm more relaxed. I don't need to channel any kind of masculine energy when it comes to me being in that setting. I'm meeting with peers or I'm networking, but either way I like to wear a simple black dress. That's something that's just stayed with me ever since I started practicing. Plus, part of these networking events involve other activities. Sometimes they may involve dinner, sometimes they may involve cocktails or hors d'oeuvres, and you want to be in a setting where you feel as though you're okay as a woman and you're comfortable and you're feminine, but you're also professional and you're stylish and you've been able to tie all those things together. And then when it comes to casual Fridays actually stress me out more than anything. Simply because, of course, on casual Fridays, you're encouraged to wear jeans, right? Yeah, but most of my jeans are ripped. You can't go to the office with a pair of ripped jeans, no matter how casual the Friday is. That's just absurd. That's absurd, that's pushing it, that's unprofessional. And most of my jeans are ripped. So I have about 2 or 3 mom work jeans that I wear to work. They're not ripped, they're not low waist or high waist. They're just like, here you go, jeans. That's just there's nothing super duper special about them. And I tend to wear them with a blazer. I wear them either like a designer blazer, like a Ralph Lauren blazer, or just a regular blazer. And then inside the blazer, I'll wear any of my 100 million Portofino tops from Express. Those tops provide coverage. They're very professional, they're stylish. You can dress them up by putting a blazer over them, or you can dress them down by taking the blazer off. So I just, try to navigate my way through the professional scene while also taking into consideration perception, style, comfort level, and the audience. Who's my audience? Who's looking at me? If I'm going to court and I'm going to have a conference in front of a judge, I'm less likely to wear like an orange blazer and a white dress. I'm more likely to wear a gray dress and a black blazer. If I am going to dinner with friends who actually I went to law school with, then I can wear my orange dress because I know that, okay, these are my friends, and yes, we're in a professional setting, but my reputation, my competency, my interaction, none of that is going to be on the table by virtue of my looks. When you are a woman, when you are a woman of color, when you are a woman of color in a typically male-dominated field, you have to stand out. And there's certain things you have to take into consideration. And I think that over the years, I've fine-tuned my style to where I'm comfortable, and I wear XYZ items for XYZ events and occasions. I hope this video has been helpful to you to the extent that you were trying to figure out what an attorney dress is like, or to the extent you're trying to figure out what to wear to work, or you're trying to put together a work style for yourself. Remember, it's best to personalize your style. You don't have to go by what everyone's doing. Figure out what works for you, figure out what's at stake, figure out what's important to you, figure out your audience, and you take it from there. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do just that. And if you are, thank you so much. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye now.